Tukole birungi tebasiima nabo tebasiima ogenze dakyo kyekimalamu amaanyi ne mu byenkola byonna tebasiima ogenze bayuda tuyita nabo balala tuseka nabo olw'ekisa tugabana nabo tubamanyi butabagamba. Naam, a'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahi rahmani rahim. Matendo gonaga Allah musasizi owekisa ekingi yo yali waggulu eyo. So buli omu yamusa ku seno kulekatalaalye. Please subscribe. Lwaki osubscribinga? Navuddeyo recently awo nenkola video like 5 days back ngeyogera ku Chameleone. Video eyo ngeyogera ku biki n'ensonga lwaki Chameleone yagulira Daniela ennyumba mu USA. Bangi mu comment section ne mungamba nsirisa omumwa gwange benjogera sibitegeera. Naye njagala tuwulirize bulungi. Nkimanyi eno audio egenda kutusumbuwa, video egenda kutusumbuwa yakoleddwa mutabani wa Chameleone Abamakas. Nkimanyi abamu mwagiwuliddeko naye nkusabuddemu ogiwulire bulungi. Bw'omala ogiwulira n'ogiraba tugenda kugitemaatema nsonga ku nsonga, nsonga ku nsonga. Naye kuno mugenda kutegeera nti omuntu omu aba avudde ebiseera ebisinga ng'ayogedde ku kintu aba alina evidence, aba alina credible information. Let us listen to this video.
Wana, Uganda. I'm finally choosing to break silence about a very, very serious issue that needs action with immediate effect. As you all already know, that my father's not doing well, he's in hospital, and you guys probably only know the surface level information about what is really going on. To start things off, my father suffers with acute pancreatitis. In most cases, this is a condition that is caused by repeated alcohol use. In this case, this is exactly what is going on with my father. To put things plain and simple, my father struggles with alcohol addiction. This is something that he's been suffering with for quite a while now, henceforth the weight loss that people keep on talking about and everything. It completely disheartens me when I see the internet throw around and bash my mother, making her the cause of everything. I am here to tell you that is completely false. My mother has nothing to do with any health issues that my father may be experiencing. Throughout my entire life, I've always seen my father struggle with alcohol and controlling the use of alcohol. Yes, given he's a big public figure and he's human at the end of the day, he may struggle with certain anxieties and blah, 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 and maybe he chose to use that as an escape. Unfortunately, that kind of thing is starting to catch up with him. At the moment, even though I may not look like it, I'm very angry with my father. And I'm angry with the environment that he puts himself in and the people he surrounds himself with. Never in my life have I seen such unconcerned parents that are so careless about their children's well-being. In this case, I am talking about my father's parents. So far, I have already lost 2 uncles, and that is because of the complete, utter irresponsibility I've ever seen from parents. So far, I have already lost 2 uncles, and that is because of the complete and utter irresponsibility of these people's parents. Honest to God, I don't even like to call them my grandparents because I don't like any association with them. That's a whole nother story altogether. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to know about that. But back to the main topic. You would expect my father's parents to actually care about him the most, if anything, be their favorite child, considering he gave them their name. No one in the country of Uganda would know who the Mayanjas were if it weren't for my father. The people around my father do not care about his well-being and do not have his best interests at heart. His friends, if they were actually his friends, my father would not be in this circumstance. They don't actually care about him. They just care about the monetary value he brings to them. The point of this video is I want to bring the truth out to the people that care about my father, all his fans, all his supporters, all his people. I want you all to know that if my father continues this pattern, according to the doctors, he has 2 years left. And this really disheartens me because this is my father I've known in my entire life. I know him better than anybody on earth, even the people that listen to his own music. We need to work together to get my father the help he needs. As for my personal issue, I am very, very infuriated and angry with my father because I feel like he is making selfish decisions. I have 4 siblings and my father still needs to be alive to take care of my siblings. He has been told time and time and again from his doctors, from his healthcare professionals, that this is a habit that needs to slow down in order for him to have a long life with longevity and happiness and whatever. It angers me to see that him knowing this, he still continues to pick up the drink and ruin his pancreas. That is why I'm on here asking for everybody's help. I want all his supporters, all his fans, everybody that enjoys my father's music, even if you may not like him, even if you may not agree with the things he's done. Even myself agreed that he's a very, very flawed human being. He's a very flawed man. But at the end of the day, God put us in this world to love everybody. I'm asking everybody on here to hold him accountable. At the same time, by all means, I'm sending this message not in a negative way, not out of a negative heart. It's a completely human thing to struggle with addiction or substance abuse. This is not a call for embarrassment. This is not a call for you to go and embarrass people or embarrass my dad for depending on substance. This is a call for help yet again. We need to collectively come together and help him if we want to keep him on earth longer. For the sake of music, for the sake of your favorite artist, and for the sake of us, his family. His true family. I want everybody to be all up in his comments, or however, if you know him, if you're in contact with him, if you meet him outside, if you meet him at a bar, I want you to let him know that people love him and people want him here. And the promoters that selfishly book him, despite him not being in physical condition visibly, you know what's coming for you. It's so crazy to me that other people would see a human working to the point of to a breaking point, and they still book him for shows. It's so clearly visible that my father's not doing well health-wise, and these promoters still continue to book him and use him as a workhorse because, again, it's about monetary value. To reiterate, anybody and anyone that even cares a little bit about my father's well-being, please speak out, hold him accountable, and let's do what we can. He's given so much enjoyment and happiness to Uganda as a country and given it so much recognition. I feel like personally this is our way of giving back. Let's help him out. Thank you for listening, and I hope you can carry this message with you. Disclaimer: anybody with bullshit in my comments, anybody talking to me crazy in my comments, you will get blocked, and I put that on my mother.
Yes, now alright. Nkolere ekintu kimu, soko subscribing ku channel yange eno. Wake up call. Kubanga ekyakuletera ebintu bingi n'ekyo kirekyala emboozi ya kamiliyoni yonjirina yonna wano. Bingi byesayogerako last time naye mbirina bawe nsalawo kubyogera video eyinza okutwala like 10 hours ekitajja kusoboka njagenda njitematema mpola mulire ensonga zange n'ensonga lwaki community asazi nali mu mbeera eyo, lwaki family etali nayo, lwaki sazo ntulaba abaana balaza okwogera ebyo bateekeddwa okwogera. Listen very carefully. Abamakasi mu mboozi ze zonna nga nagitematema binanda sigenda bikoninga tabatimu ebiri key points luli wawe nasibira nakati biki Abamakasi byakonyeeko. Ekisooka, Abamakasi akwedde ku nsonga enkulu n'agamba family ya Chameleone bazadde talabanga bazadde bali unserious nga bajjajjaabe. Why? Chameleone ekyo kitu akifunye ebbanga ddene nga bagamba cigarette yamukosa, is hepatitis, nti yamukosa ekiwumba n'omwenge, cigarette n'omwenge. Naye family ye sinnetegefu kumustopinga kukola bintu ebyo byakola, kunywa mwenge na kunywa sigala. Sibetegefu. Alese kama sibetegefu na ubanzi bati bagala abistoping naye tebasobola kumustopinga because bamanyi ye alpha and omega. Abamakasi agamba senga si Chameleone kutumbula linnya lya mayanja bonna basigale tewadde omu yantegereddwa, which is right. Yensonga lwaki tewali asobola kumugambako Dr. Jose Chameleone. Taliiwo mu family yo tewali. Abamax ayogerako agamba ye mukulowooza kwe oba ensonga lwaki tebafaayo nti Chameleone ne bw'abanga afudde basobola ye maama jasigaza abaana balabako naye Chameleone alina obuvunaanyizibwa yayogedde nti alinayo abaganda babala bameka bana kitegeeza ye wakutaano. Boy bafuula taata waabwe bagenda kusigazaani kubanga Makasa agamba jjajja waabwe yabagambako okwo ti Chameleone naafa tebalina ke balina mu nsi era mama bajagenda mukatale atandika okutembeya emiyembe abalabirire n'okulomba ku street. Eyo message nene mwe bamama baffe mugende empola ne family zaffe because abaana b'abendi abobola bagenda kubonaabona olwa statements zammwe ze mukola temwe banyaffe. So mugende empola ne statement ze mukola bilala na walo bivayo Abamakasi avudde yabyogedde alamutaddeko olukongolo boneddayo si Abamakasi yo maama we. Abamakasi right now musajja mukulu okubanga asobola kuba biki kitabe byakolanga maama we n'okubanga lwaki ku side yesaawe no ali ku side ya maama we tali ku side ya taata we because amanye ekikyamu n'ekituufu right now ali mu myaka ekituuso okusalawo ekituufu n'ekikyamu. Dalila soketu mujje muzine ensonga zonna ne wankubadde aziri wakati naye aziri wakati waki gwomanyi Chameleone biki byamukola okubanga atuuse to that level okubanga asirise oba kati tugati ebyo Abamakasi byayogedde Dalila yabyogedde lwaki atuuse to that extent okwogera ebigambo ebyo. Fumintiriza lowooza abantu ffe tuli mu nsi tuli mu bufumbo naye ffe tumanyi be tutuddeko mu bufumbo bwaffe. Ffe tumanyi biki bye tuyitamu mu families zaffe biyitirivu tuyita mu kunyigirizibwa okwekika ekyawaggulu ku side zonna si mwami si mukyala kubanga bonna party emwe esobola okubeera embi oba buli mwe asobola okubako ne side y'embi naye ne tusirika osegeera kati gulwaki dede saa zino omusaako olukongolo mbu balekawo family yaabwe atunulidde follow figure kati ne uza follow figure Abamakasi byayogedde wabitegedde obo bakunyonyoddeko just bunyonyozi just kimu bibiri nawe novayo n'ogutwego nga wagayita ogutwego gokalu ebyo yabadde bigambo byo si kiwondi wategedde information nga bwe yabadde ogamba Abamakasi asirike oli kitaawe ayina moral authority okumwogerako ayina obuyinza obwogera ku kitaawe kubanga siko nti Abamakasi yanyagadde kitaawe afe asigale mu nsi nga talina taata we byonna byayogedde ayagala kutereeza cause at the end asaba fe bafaani be abawuliriza music we abamwagala tubeeko kye tukola ku lw'obulamu bwa taata waabwe because your family teyina kyesobola kukolawo totally nothing. Osegeera Abamakasi ayina comment ya comment ze ku muntu yabadde amuzizeemu n'agamba talabangako ku bazadde bali unserious ngabo. Comment yo yiyawo mugenda giraba comment yiyawo mugirabe mugisome lwaki omwana ono atuuka okuwandika that message. Kale ngaye mwagala nti no maama yagiwandiise ati lwaki awandika that comment lwaki alina obusungu ku maama wa Chameleone oyo muyinako wino muyitirivu. Are you come out to be airing out? Are you come out one day to be airing out? Because I know very much. Ostegera baganda bange. Tetuteeka a team muzino nsonga zonna ne wankubadde azirimu. Tusooke tuteeka olukongolo ku Chameleone yenga omuntu enneeyisa ye ebadde ki? Olaba mikwano ge gimukaaba bakyalive kala atowa omukazi gwe yasulanga mu nju gwe yakubanga namuyira n'amazzi Gwoza Chameleone yali musiro kubanga yalina obutakkaanya obwo n'anoonya sente n'agulira mukazi w'ennyumba e USA. Was he stupid? Because yamanya okujjawo bino byonna n'ebyandifulumye ebitandimanyikiddwa ku lwa Chameleone ne brand ye gy'alina ennene. Family eno kesooka emuveeko egenda e Bulaaya. Ku lwa pressure neera gye yamussaako nga akooye Uganda ayagala agenda awummule mukazi wattu kakala akalungi kayina obulungi bw'ayina oyo boyi yamuyisanga nga kasasiro. Yamulabanga ebisasiro bagenda okusula mu dustbin ebitalina mugaso. So Abba Marcus is totally very right. Ne bwabanga information yalinze out to see yet ya mama we yamugambye abyogere. The information is totally right. Because etugenda byogeddeko ko mu video owe yawo gugero ginonyeko owe yawo. Eke kifaananyi kyange kya Chameleone ne kya Daniela